Good bullish month has come to an end for silver. In the last monthly review before the beginning of July, we have discussed that silver is trading in this bullish channel. Higher lows, lower highs are seen, and if you track the movement, rise, retracement, and it could again lead. Also, we had discussed that the bearishness is getting diminished, the body size is diminishing here, and hence we have seen it crossing past 25 and now closing the month at around 24.30. So what to expect next week from silver, which position you should take, and how to benefit trading silver in the next week and the month of August, we will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out. Do watch till the end, and do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my twice a day guidance for silver. First with the Asia session, next with the US session, and definitely both of these analysis and the trading levels helps or will add definitely a meaning to your day trading decisions, and hence do not miss this. Do press the bell icon, and also every like share is a great motivation for me. Let's start. First, let's start with the daily chart. On the daily charts, couple of points to note is, see, increasing bearishness, or you can see it is forming a flag, beautiful flag here, trying to trade within the zone, and hence 24 to 25 is the zone where one should be cautious of. One should trade with caution in between these levels. Now, if you look at the last few days movement of silver here, you can observe, see, higher highs, retracement, lower lows here, then lower highs, and then lower lows. Yes, it is trying to trade bearish, very clear. Lower highs, lower lows are seen, but it is also trying to form a flag. Also, if you look at the movement here, you can observe, if you connect the dots for the next week here, you will find it is trying to still trade in this bullish channel. But see, the highs, the slope here and here are different, which suggests it is trying to form a squeeze where beyond which a breakout will be seen. Now, on the downside, if you connect these dots, you will observe that the zone here till 2370, 2350 is going to remain important and a crucial support. If at all silver trades below 24, we are definitely going to look at a support at around 2370-80 or 2350, the next support level. So these levels are going to remain very, very important. Next, on the upside is where you can find, see, after this big bearish candle, it is trying to retrace. This is the first green candle. What we have seen after this drop, couple of retracement candles and lower highs. So this could again try to retrace, achieve lower highs, possibly $25 levels, which is definitely going to remain a great resistance for the near future or for the month of August. So this is something you can see on the daily charts. Also, if you look at the near term charts on the daily candles, you will find, see, first of all, look at the consolidation here, the rise, then consolidation here, retracement. Now we have seen that 18, 24, 20. So $6 here, $4 here, retracement, then 20 to 26. Again $6 here, then retracement till towards 22. Again $4 here. Now it is trying to also, now look at this picture. Can you see something? Again, after this rise, it is trying to form a flag. A breakout above 25 is certainly, which will decide the direction, and then at least 26 will be seen. Beyond 26, certainly I am looking forward to 28 and 30 levels also in the near future. Now this is just on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly. First, let's have a look at the long run view. Rise here, strong rise post COVID. Since then, lower highs, lower lows. In fact, if you see this, see, it is almost has breached this flag formation and trying to stay bullish. Now let's come to the near term. You can find triple bottom, rise, retracement, then rise, then retracement. So you can easily say now that it is trying to trade in this bullish channel here, and it has started with the second bullish wave here. Now the highs of this wave are at around 28 or 30 levels. Now let's have a look at the further near term here. One thing we have seen that yes, it is trading bullish. It has started with the next wave here. Second thing you can see here is, after this rise, it is trying to give you lower highs, lower lows. Hence now 25, 25, 20 levels becomes important. Beyond which certainly we are going to look at 26, 28 levels. Now also see here, see, higher highs are seen. Now these are two retracement candles. Retracement, you can see always retracement have smaller bodies. But at the same time, you should see that this candle has left a wick on the downside, or a tail on the downside, I will say. Hence, and also we have seen that 23. Till 23, we have got great support for silver even if it continues on the downside. So for next week, I will specifically be watchful of 24 to 25 zone. Yes, if it starts flat, continues on the upside, breaks past this body high at around 24, 60, 70 zone, continues to march till towards 25, breaking beyond which you should expect that it has reversed and we are going to look forward to a bullish momentum. See, bullish candle, retracement and breaking on the upside certainly will call for the more bulls here. At the same time, on the downside, we have seen below 24, still you can expect 23.70, 23.50, and then $23 is the major support. Coming to the monthly chart, on the monthly chart, similar pattern, triple bottom, rise, retracement, higher lows, higher highs. So yes, anybody can say now that yes, it is trading in this bullish channel and it can continue. However, any break below 22, 23 is where it will turn bearish and we can look forward to a 20 or below levels. However, one should still expect it to trade bullish is my expectation. I will show you why with the help of indicators. Now also let's look at the monthly chart. See, after consolidating here for years, silver has given breakout in 2021. Since then, it has been trading in this sideways channel. Yes, it is forming a flag. A breakout is what I will look forward to anytime if you see it trading about 27, 28 zone. Just stay long. We are going to look at 30 and beyond that more bullish momentum to continue. Now, with the upside, I have one worry point here that see the double top here on these two candles. This is going to remain a very tough level to break past by. So we have to be observant on the downside. Support is already seen here at 22, 23 levels. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look at indicators. Indicators on the monthly charts, moving averages trading with divergence and bullishness. Monthly charts, you can see prices were divergent from the moving average. It has come till towards the 20 period. It has taken the support here, trying to reverse. Previous candle, higher highs, higher lows. So yes, this zone is a caution zone for silver in between 23 and 25.50. Also, there is a possible crossover between the 50 and 100 months moving average, which is now situated at around 22, which is going to be a greatest support. Stochastic after staying overbought has now cooled down a bit on the monthly charts. Now look at the most important part is the MACD. Now see MACD on the monthly, you can find out it has seen a complete cycle here. Since post-COVID era, it has come to the zero levels again. Now have crossed over after 2 to 3 years, and this crossover is important as it if it continues to diverge, more bullish momentum can be seen. Now, if you also track the momentum, see silver here stayed bearish for over a period of time, then almost at zero levels. Now it is again back to zero. So yes, it can try to elevate it to a little higher side. This is my expectation. However, right now it is trading with very modest divergence. RSI started to look upwards. Coming to the weekly, on the weekly charts, yes, the moving averages have started to diverge. Good sign here. However, and yes, all the three are trading one above other. Is still a bullish sign. Support is seen at 24, then 23, 70, 23. Very good support exists here on the downside. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is very much back to overbought zone, while the MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover. Now, if you look at the movement here, you will find, see, silver on the upside has still got lot much of a scope. This was the highs at 2020 levels. Also, if you look at, see, it has stayed bearish here, then twin top is formed and a breakout is now I will wait for, and a breakout above plus 100 levels certainly will be the call for the bulls. Here it traded with divergence and bearishness. Now it is trying to converge. A possible crossover with couple of bullish candles is what one should wait for. RSI is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish here. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily charts as well, moving average is trading with divergence, staying bullish. Prices were divergent from the moving average. It has converged till towards the 50 period and now trying to look upwards. Hence it is still bullish. Yes, remember the fact. See, you can see the similarity. This was the crossover, then this bullish momentum. This is the crossover. It can continue with the bullish momentum. Now on the daily charts also, this crossover is important. See, this was the crossover. It stayed bullish for days here. And whenever there is a bearish cross also, so you have to observe that it gives a bearish momentum. It is done with this and it is now trying to. So on the daily charts, yes, there is still bullish momentum here. Stochastic has dropped here, trying to trade near to bottom. But look at MACD. This is one caution point for me as far as I am concerned. See, the MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence, trading with bearishness. However, you should not forget, see the lows and the highs here. You can see the highs are at plus 100 levels. Also, you can also note, see, this is the same level which it is stabilized. Double bottom is seen, so possibly double top can also be expected here. So I will wait for again a crossover between the daily charts, moving averages on the daily charts, and certainly this will bring more bullish momentum as most of the indicators are aligned towards the bullishness or either sideways bullish, you can say. So with maybe achieving moderate higher highs, it could try to remain in zone. That is also one of the expectation. Now see, on the hourly charts, the RSI has dropped. So we have seen now the charts, we have seen now the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy such that you can trade profitably, comfortably in not only next week but in the month of August. Yes, I am going to give you the levels for not only next week but also for the complete month. This was a holistic review here. And first, before that, I have a couple of offerings for you. If you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is starting on first week of August. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. Now, see, first, let me share something that till $25 levels, silver has great resistance. Now, first zone which we should watch out for on the buy side is at around 2440 to 60. Yes, you can buy at 2440, but till 2460, first zone of resistance. This zone you should watch out for till 20. Rather, as I said, till 25 levels we have to be extremely careful. Then the next zone is 2480 to 50. So this zone is the next stronger resistance. Possibility for it to stay bullish over this zone will be very important, or you can say highly probable that it can try to stay bullish over this zone. If it stays above $25 levels, possibility of it to remain above 25 will be very high, and we can see more bullishness above this zone. Then we can expect 2530, 2550, and any point of time silver is staying below beyond this zone at 2550, you can expect we are going to look at 2610, beyond that 27, and then 28 levels. Yes, these all are probable, these all are possible levels which silver might try to achieve, and it will try to do in 1 month or so. It is going to be a quick rise. If it stays above 26, you have to just close your eyes, stay long here. Above 26, sky is the limit. On the downside, yes, till this zone, till $25 levels, you have to remain extremely cautious for this next week. On the downside, I will only recommend you to sell here at 24.20, but then till $24 levels. This is the level below which there will be slight more bearishness. Then I will expect it to hit 23.75, 23.50. Two critical support levels exist in between this till 2350, and breaking below which the next target, the ultimate target, is going to be $23 levels. And this is going to be achieved very fast. 23 is a definitely very strong support on the downside. After 2350, these two levels I will definitely watch out for. Below that, you should treat this as bearish. It can crash to 22, and below levels, sky is the limit on the downside. Chances for the downside, for as far as I am concerned, as far as my experience and my opinion is concerned, I will be 70% bullish on the upside, or even I will say 70% bullish or sideways. For this, I will remain rather 80% chances of this to happen, that it should remain sideways or remain bullish. 20% chance that it could drop. However, even if it tries to drop, the chances below 23 is, as far as I am concerned, is only 5%. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. At each of these levels, you should take a position, keep shifting your stop losses. If it closes you can exit and then take a new position if it continues in the same direction. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do press the like button, friends. Do share, subscribe, and comment. Also, you should watch the daily analysis as well. Definitely, it will be of great help. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.